In this SQL challenge, we're going to learn how to solve a medium difficulty problem called customer consumable sales percentages from Meta. This can be a pretty confusing problem if you don't have enough experience interpreting business description into SQL requirements. I will try my best to explain the solution as clear as possible. Now let's look at the description. Following a recent advertising campaign, you have been asked to compare the sales of consumable products across all brands. We need to find the percentage of unique customers among all customers in the dataset who purchase consumable products for each brand. The output should display the brand name and the percentage of customers rounded to the nearest whole number and ordered in descending order. When I look at this problem, several keywords I notice immediately. The first one is unique customers. Whenever you see the keyword unique, more than likely count distinct function will be used. Sales of consumable products should be obvious. That's the filtering condition. And for each brand indicates that we need to group by the dataset by the brand name. For this problem, we are giving two tables, online orders and online products. The online orders table contains information about customer purchases. An online products table contains detail about the products available for purchase, and product ID will be the key to join the two tables. To solve this problem, first, we need a clean data set that gives the customer ID, brand name, and product family without any duplicates. Combine the two tables using a left join to have all relevant information in one place. In the select statement, return the unique result of customer ID, brand name, and product family using the distinct statement. And this is going to be our base data set. Now convert the dataset into a common table expression called dataset. To solve this problem, we need to calculate two things: unique customer count by each brand and total unique customer count. In the SQL query, select from dataset where product family is equals to consumable. In the select statement, return brand name, customer count, and unique customer count from dataset table using a subquery. Then group by brand name. If we look at the output, the customer count column represents the unique customer count for the brand, and total customer count is the total unique customers. Now we just need to take the customer count from each brand divided by total customer count and round it to the nearest whole number. And that gives us the output here. Double-check the output and click Check Solution. If your solution is correct, the system will mark the question as solved. And that is everything I am going to cover for this SQL challenge tutorial. I hope you guys find this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.